No way, bro. Just write a book about it, bro. Yeah, we're over here at Pepper Park.
Fuck, dude.
Luis is hooked up on my pole.
How come when you're hooked up, you can't get a perfect guide, B?
Hey, can you fight the fish, bro? I'm trying to record here. Tape 2. Luis is hooked on my pole, and we're going with the guy. Oh, don't start singing that song. And I will always love you.
Hey, who knows the Titanic song?
I just told you. And I will always... Hey, what? How does Ernie say? When he fights his berry?
Come, give it to me, baby.
Ernie, the fool that used to live right there in La Mirada?
Where?
In La Mirada?
Nah.
Zumbato
I know who you're talking about, but nah.
The one that lives in the corner?
Yeah, no. You're talking about Jimmy, fool. He lives in the house like right next to.
Let me know when you're ready to go if I can hand the pole over.
How about you come fucking record it?
Here. Here, record. To the bottom. Get it. Try not to get the flashing.
Ooh, Bolaños.
He's almost tired.
I know. I'm gonna wait until he gets right here.
Come to the right side of me.
Yeah, it's just huge. It's a big ass thing, right? Look, it's right there. You see it? My bad, my bad.
Oh, he's on the right, fool.
I see him.
That is a big ass stingray. Leave him right there. Leave him right there. Don't move him, alright? Do not move him. Leave him right there.
One shot, mijo.
I got him. Oh, you heard it. Where is he? Bring him up. Bring him up. Bring him up. Can't. I don't know where I'm gonna gaff.
Back up, back up, back up, back up. Move the gaff, quick.
Where is he? You heard it. I'm gonna have to get right in front of him. Bring him back. Ah, fuck, I knew it.
There goes another run.
Shit. I'll let him go straight under. If he goes under, I'm gonna jump to the side.
He's pumping.
Yep, he wants to go down and he's gonna shoot under. Don't let him go under either.
We'll lift him up.
No, don't lift him up too much. Fuck.
There you go. There he goes, there he goes.
Again? Fuck. You still recording?
Yeah, still got it.
Hey, wait.
What?
I
Need
got
help?
my dick.
Need a switch or what? No, I'm gapping. Here, come on, Luis. There you go. Let him go. He's gonna go to your left. Let him go to your left. That's what I want. Let him go to the left. Let him go.
Don't throw him.
No, I know. I know when. Because I want to get right next to him. Let me know. I'm gonna go for it.
No, let me bring him more up. You want him surfaced.
Fuck, he's not coming up. He already knows we're after him.
No, duh.
Yeah, I think he's been knowing.
I think he knew that since the minute he started taking off.
Go to the right. Or should I get right under you?
Ahí está, güey.
Ready?
I'm gonna get it. Here, anda.
One sideways.
Right there, dog.
One sideways.
It's right there, dog.
Oh. No? Nope.
No.
Fucked up.
Shit's big.
He's going under, huh?
No. He's just sitting right here. Oh, there's a crab swimming right here.
So bullshit.
No, right there.
Get this out the way. I know.
That nigga's just floating. He's done. It's like all dead weight now.
Yeah, I know, but I need this out. Gracias. He's on dead weight. Here he comes.
Right there.
I'm gonna get right next to him. Fuck the bullshit. Right away. Drop in the pool. Or can you back up a little bit?
No, because I need to see.
No, you don't. Just leave it in the grab for that tape. Back up a little bit. Watch.
Overthrow. You got him? Free swim. Free swim. Good shit, baby.
That fucker's huge, alright, dog? That's good shit.
Damn.
Man, fuck you.
Nigga's
You good, dog?
Size of my hand.
You got it.
We got knocked the fuck out. It. That's that SeaWorld shit right there.
Thank you, dog.
Fuck Trump.